Now let's see how to read the values, how to get the values whenever we fired any event. Okay, so for this we have already created the function on key up, right? On key up we are calling this function, and here we are simply giving the alert on key up. Now let's say I want to capture the value of this text box whenever the anyone has user has press any word. Okay, whatever the alert we are getting, it should print that value. Okay, now basically I want to capture this value of this event. Okay, so that is possible, okay, through the event object. Okay, for that simply we have to pass the extra parameter here, that is the event. Okay, now let's print that value, extract that value through this event dot target dot value. Okay, this will return the value of this tag like element. Okay, so we are passing the event by default. This function is accepting the event. Okay, this one. Okay, now let's put a. Here you can see on key up a, then let's say b, on key up ab, let's type c, on key up abc. Means, okay, so we can capture the value of this through the event object, event dot target dot value. Now you may have the question, okay, we can't write like opening and closing bracket. Okay, that is fine, by default there is a event, okay, parameter is available. Okay, now let's say if you want to pass the extra parameter, then how we can pass that one. Okay, so first tell me let me tell you the thing, like if you want to write in this way, okay, that function should be called, okay, by using this parenthesis opening and closing bracket, then we have to declare in this way, function body, then fat arrow symbol, and then name of that function. Now save it. Okay, now go here and check whether it is working fine or not. Let me put here a, something is wrong because like we are getting the error. So let's see what is the wrong there, because now we have specified this handler by using this syntax. We have not declared this parameter here, because whenever we don't declare, it's a default parameter is available, but as now we are passing this one, we need to specify here. Okay, now let's try. Let me refresh it once. Now let's try a. Here you can see on key up a, b, a, b. In this way, like if you want to use the opening and closing bracket, okay, now we can pass the extra parameter also. Now let's say, let me pass the param1 value as a param1 as a second parameter. Let me add is like param1. Here then we have to add the extra parameter, second parameter, into signature. So I will give as a param1. Okay, like this can be same, or you can use the whatever the name you want to in this signature. Like I have given the same, so let me make the other one so that you will not get confused. We can give the any parameter name here, like let me give the same name, p1. Okay, it's a parameter one, it's a name of this variable, and this is the value of this variable what we are passing. Okay, now let me print that one, second parameter whatever we are passing. Now let me refresh it. Okay, now a, so here you can be on key up a, then p1 value param1. So in this way, like we can pass the multiple parameter to event function also. Okay, just we need to use this syntax, okay, opening and closing bracket. Then if you want to pass the event, that event variable and that make sure that event variable will be the first parameter whatever you are sending. After that, whatever the parameter you want to send, you can add it. If you don't want to send the event, okay, you can remove this event. Only you want to send your extra parameter, whatever the custom parameter you want, okay, you can customize this function as well according to you. Okay, now let me remove this one event, because we don't have event, so it will throw the exception. So what I have done now, okay, only I am passing the parameter 1. Okay, now let's try. So here you can see p1 value param 1. Okay, so I am passing the only one, I am not passing the event. So you can pass the extra parameter along with the event, or if you want to pass the single parameter, you can pass your parameter also. Okay, so in this way we can pass the event as well as the param. Hope so guys, you are clear how to pass the variables to the event function. If you are new to channel, okay, please do subscribe, like and share the video, and do not forget to click on the notification bell icon, so that whenever the new upload or new tutorial series has started, you will get the notification. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.